Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp is not working in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and your WhatsApp app is not working, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you just have to make sure that you are connected to internet, or it might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, and here you just have to briefly enable your airplane mode, then disable it after 5 or 10 seconds. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. After that, you just have to open up your settings, and here you have to make sure you have to go to general and then go for iPhone storage, and here you have to make sure that you have enough storage. And once you have checked, you just have to go back, and here you have to go for time, date and time settings. Simply open the setting, and here you have to make sure that you have set it up the correct time of your country or region. So you just have to disable this set automatically, and from here you have to select your specific region or the country in which you are living. Once you have set it, simply enable this toggle, which is set automatically. So once you have set it your time, you just have to scroll down and go for VPN and device management, and from here you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you're connected you must have to try to disconnect. Or now what you have to do, you have to open up your app store, go for search, and here you have to search for WhatsApp, and here you have to open the WhatsApp messenger, and you have to make sure that you haven't any update available here, or if you have any updates you have to try to update your app. And once you have updated your app, so it might be that it will not issue, you can need to use your WhatsApp. Or if you're still having a specific problem, it might be that your microphone is not working, so you just have to open up your settings again, and in settings simply scroll down and go for this privacy and security, and from here you just have to scroll down and look for microphone. Here's microphone, select it, and here you have to make sure that you have enabled this for your WhatsApp. And same check for camera if your camera is not working, so you have to make sure that you have enabled this toggle for camera. Or if you're having any other problems, so now what you have to do, you just have to go for main settings, and here select general, and then select the iPhone storage, and here you just have to scroll down and look for WhatsApp. Simply tap on it, and then tap on offload app, then tap on offload app again, and once you have uploaded your app, it will delete every type of your junk data, or it might be the real bug, so it will fix that issue. You just have to simply tap on reinstall, and it will be reinstalled, so you just have to wait for it until it's loading, and after that you can easily use your WhatsApp without any issue. So in this way you can easily fix if your WhatsApp is not working in any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.